Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of psychological money tricks used by the wealthy. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? The answer lies in understanding the powerful psychological strategies that the rich employ to manage their finances effectively. In this video, we will uncover the lesser-known mental strategies that can pave the way for financial success. By delving into the minds of the wealthy, we aim to provide you with valuable insights that can transform your approach to money management. From subconscious spending habits to cognitive biases that influence our financial decisions, we will explore it all. By the end of this video, you can expect to learn how to identify and combat these psychological money tricks, empowering you to take control of your financial future. Get ready to be intrigued by the secrets of the wealthy and discover actionable steps that you can implement in your own life. Let's unlock the mysteries behind financial success together. The power of mindset. Have you ever noticed how rich people seem to effortlessly attract wealth and abundance into their lives? It all comes down to the power of mindset. In this segment, we will explore how the wealthy leverage their mindset to create a magnetic force that draws prosperity towards them. To adopt a wealth-oriented perspective, one must undergo significant mindset shifts. Rich individuals view money as a tool for creating opportunities and building wealth rather than a source of stress or limitation. By shifting your mindset to one of abundance and possibility, you can open yourself up to a world of financial opportunities. Positive thinking and visualization play a crucial role in achieving financial success. By envisioning your goals and believing in your ability to achieve them, you can manifest wealth into your life. Rich people understand the importance of maintaining a positive attitude, even in the face of challenges, as it attracts more positive outcomes. To cultivate a money-attracting mindset, start by setting clear financial goals and visualizing your success. Practice gratitude for what you already have and focus on abundance rather than scarcity. Surround yourself with positive influences and affirmations that reinforce your belief in your ability to attract wealth. Stay tuned for practical tips on how you can shift your mindset towards financial abundance. Strategic goal setting. In the realm of financial success, goal setting is a powerful tool that the wealthy utilize to drive their growth and prosperity. Today, we will uncover the goal-setting techniques employed by the rich to achieve their financial dreams and aspirations. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals is crucial for success. The wealthy understand the importance of clarity and precision when it comes to setting objectives. By defining clear and measurable goals, individuals can track their progress and stay motivated to achieve them. Long-term financial goals are key to wealth accumulation. Rich individuals set ambitious yet attainable objectives that span years or even decades. By envisioning their desired financial future and setting long-term goals, they create a roadmap for success and wealth creation. To align daily actions with overarching financial objectives, it is essential to develop strategies that support your goals. The wealthy prioritize their daily activities based on their long-term financial aspirations. By making intentional choices and focusing on tasks that contribute to their goals, they ensure that every action brings them closer to financial success. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the strategies for setting and achieving financial goals that can transform your financial future. Mastering delayed gratification. Delayed gratification is a fundamental concept that plays a significant role in achieving financial success. Today, we will explore the concept of delayed gratification and its profound impact on building wealth over time. Delayed gratification refers to the ability to resist the temptation of immediate rewards in favor of long-term benefits. The wealthy understand that sacrificing instant gratification can lead to greater financial gains in the future. By delaying unnecessary expenses and investing in assets that appreciate over time, individuals can secure their financial future and build wealth steadily. For example, instead of splurging on luxury items or indulging in impulse purchases, practicing delayed gratification involves saving and investing that money for future financial goals. Over time, these small sacrifices can accumulate into significant wealth and financial stability. To practice delayed gratification in daily financial decisions, individuals can implement techniques such as setting financial goals, creating a budget, and prioritizing needs over wants. By developing discipline and self-control, one can make informed choices that align with their long-term financial objectives. Stay tuned for practical tips on mastering delayed gratification and unlocking the path to financial success. Building wealth networks. Rich individuals understand the power of leveraging their networks to create opportunities for wealth generation. In this segment, we will examine how networking plays a crucial role in the financial success of the wealthy and explore strategies for expanding your own financial network. Networking is essential for accessing valuable resources, knowledge, and opportunities that can propel your financial growth. By connecting with like-minded individuals, industry experts, and potential mentors, you can gain insights, advice, and support that can accelerate your path to wealth creation. To expand your financial network and foster beneficial relationships, it is important to be proactive and strategic in your networking efforts. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and engage in online communities to connect with individuals who share your financial goals and aspirations. Building genuine relationships based on trust and mutual benefit is key to unlocking the full potential of your network. Effective networking within the financial and business communities involves being genuine, proactive, and adding value to your connections. Offer your expertise, support others in their endeavors, and seek opportunities to collaborate and learn from those within your network. By cultivating strong relationships and leveraging your network effectively, you can open doors to new opportunities and accelerate your journey towards financial success. Stay tuned for valuable tips on mastering the art of networking for wealth creation. The psychology of investing. Investing is not just about numbers and charts. It also involves a deep understanding of the psychological aspects that influence financial decisions. In this segment, we will explore how the wealthy approach financial markets from a psychological perspective and delve into the mindset required for successful investing. Successful investing requires a high level of emotional intelligence. The wealthy understand the importance of managing emotions such as fear, greed, and impatience when making investment decisions. By staying rational, disciplined, and objective, individuals can avoid emotional pitfalls and make informed choices that align with their long-term financial goals. Managing risk is a critical aspect of investing. The wealthy approach risk management by diversifying their portfolios, conducting thorough research, and seeking expert advice when needed. By understanding the risks associated with different investment opportunities and having a clear risk management strategy in place, individuals can protect their wealth and optimize their returns. Navigating the complexities of the financial world requires a mindset that is focused on continuous learning, adaptability, and resilience. The wealthy embrace uncertainty and volatility as opportunities for growth and innovation. By staying informed, being open to new ideas, and maintaining a long-term perspective, individuals can navigate the ever-changing landscape of financial markets with confidence and success. Stay tuned for valuable insights into the psychology of investing and how you can apply these principles to your own investment strategy. Strategies for wealth preservation. Wealth preservation is a key priority for rich individuals who understand the importance of safeguarding their assets over time. In this segment, we will delve into the strategies that the wealthy use to protect and preserve their wealth for future generations. Diversification and risk management are essential components of wealth preservation. The wealthy spread their investments across different asset classes to reduce risk and minimize potential losses. By diversifying their portfolios, individuals can weather market fluctuations and ensure long-term financial stability. Estate planning and asset protection play a crucial role in safeguarding wealth. Rich individuals engage in comprehensive estate planning to ensure that their assets are distributed according to their wishes and minimize tax liabilities. Asset protection strategies such as setting up trusts and legal structures help shield wealth from potential risks and creditors. To maintain financial stability and security for the long term, it is important to prioritize savings, live within your means, and avoid unnecessary debt. The wealthy practice disciplined financial habits, such as budgeting, saving for emergencies, and investing in their future. By adopting a proactive approach to financial management and seeking professional advice when needed, individuals can secure their wealth and ensure a legacy of financial prosperity for generations to come. Stay tuned for valuable tips on preserving and growing your wealth over time. Mindful spending habits. The wealthy approach spending and consumption with a mindful mindset to ensure their financial health remains strong. In this segment, we will examine how the rich navigate their spending habits to maintain overall financial well-being. Mindful spending involves being conscious and intentional about where your money goes, understanding the impact of each purchase on your financial goals. The wealthy prioritize value and long-term benefits over instant gratification, making deliberate choices that align with their financial objectives. Distinguishing between wants and needs is a crucial aspect of financial decision-making. The wealthy understand the difference and prioritize spending on necessities while being selective about indulging in wants. By setting clear priorities and evaluating the necessity and value of each expense, individuals can make informed decisions that support their financial well-being. Developing responsible spending habits is key to sustainable wealth accumulation. The wealthy practice frugality, budgeting, and saving for the future to ensure their financial stability. By setting financial goals, tracking expenses, and avoiding unnecessary purchases, individuals can build a solid foundation for long-term wealth growth. By adopting mindful spending habits, distinguishing between wants and needs, and developing responsible financial practices, individuals can pave the way for sustainable wealth accumulation and financial well-being. Stay tuned for practical tips on mastering mindful spending for a prosperous financial future. Embracing financial education. Prioritizing financial education and continuous learning is a cornerstone of wealth creation that the wealthy swear by. In this segment, we encourage viewers to invest in their financial knowledge and skills to unlock the path to prosperity. Staying informed about personal finance and investment opportunities is crucial for making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. The wealthy understand the value of staying up to date on market trends, financial strategies, and investment options to maximize their wealth-building potential. Seeking out financial literacy resources and educational materials can provide individuals with the knowledge and tools needed to navigate the complexities of the financial world. By reading books, attending seminars, and following reputable financial experts, individuals can enhance their financial literacy and make informed decisions that lead to financial success. To expand one's financial knowledge and skills, we recommend exploring online courses, podcasts, and workshops focused on personal finance, investing, and wealth management. Engaging with like-minded individuals in financial communities and seeking mentorship from experienced professionals can also provide valuable insights and guidance on your wealth-building journey. By embracing financial education, seeking out resources, and continuously expanding your financial knowledge and skills, you can empower yourself to make informed decisions that drive wealth creation and financial success. Stay tuned for recommendations on how you can enhance your financial education for a prosperous future. In this video, we have explored the fascinating world of psychological money tricks used by the wealthy and uncovered strategies for financial success. Rich individuals leverage their mindset, goal-setting techniques, and networks to create opportunities for wealth generation. They prioritize delayed gratification, practice mindful spending, and invest in financial education to preserve and grow their wealth over time. We encourage you to apply the valuable strategies and insights shared in this video to improve your financial well-being. By adopting a wealth-oriented perspective, setting smart goals, and cultivating responsible spending habits, you can pave the way for sustainable wealth accumulation and financial success. Take action today to enhance your financial literacy, expand your financial network, and make informed investment decisions. Empower yourself with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the complexities of the financial world and achieve your wealth-building goals. Don't forget to engage with our channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video for more valuable content on personal finance, investing, and wealth. Together, let's embark on a journey towards financial prosperity and success. Thank you for watching.